Is our country's education system perfect for speaking in English? Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Prantole. I'm an English learner. Today, I'm gonna share with you in this video is our country education system is perfect for speaking English. As you know that English is a language, and what is language? Language means one kind of sound which help us communication each other when we need. But the main problem is in our country most of the educated and well-bred person are not able to speak in English. Why? Because the education system don't have enough opportunity to practice speak in English. But also you know that when we were a student of high school and college level, that time we had English two subjects. One is English first paper and number two is English second paper. English second paper that time had also right now has a lots of grammatical rules, regulation and structure. Also English first paper has few story and another rules regulation, but it's not enough for improve the education person speaking level. This is the main problem our country education system. Consequently, when the well-bred person gives the job interview that time who cannot speak in English, as a result this person lost that occupation means job. Can you imagine what's a enormous issue did the country education system? But the teacher taught us English all kinds of grammar rules and regulation. Also you know when the native English speaker speaks each other, that time we can understand their speech. But also we can reading very perfectly and writing very perfectly, but we cannot speak in English. Just one reason to speak in English need a lot of practice. But our country education system don't have any syllabus. This syllabus help us to improve our speaking level. But that teacher could do when we were a student of high school level, that time they could make partner. Every student two or two partner, all students, and they could order us, hey, you discuss speak in English with each other minimum 30 minutes, and per week they could make a syllabus per week 2 days. You must practice in English, practice speak in English is other any kinds of selected topic. If the teacher did do in this generation and right now, you don't have to problem job, you don't have to lose the job. In my opinion, in my viewpoint, in our country education system must change. They can keep a syllabus. This syllabus improve our pronunciation and English speaking level. Marcy, pray for me.